Fast traders, I got the Dow Jones right here, 577 points down. Right here, trader to be. I've got SPX coming down hard, 110 point reversal. I got the OEX 100 index getting smashed as we see it. The NASDAQ composite, let's not forget that one testing the 100-day simple moving average. How about that? Here you go. NASDAQ 100 on the 100-day moving average. That is a doable bounce from there. The lower one is 150-day. That's a lower support level. Okay, I don't see a sell signal. But listen, it's on the website. When we take a look at the Russell 1000, we can see the same reversal. When we take a look at the Russell 2000, we could see the same reversal following through that 10-day simple moving average. How about this one, everybody? One that you haven't been looking at, called the Dow Transports. It's the index. That too is getting whacked. We can see it sitting on the 10-day simple moving average. Pleasure for you to go onto the website. We called this before today's big down move that I just went through. It's right here on the website. Go back, look at it, learn from it. You want to get involved? Just call me. We talked about the jobs report coming up. Dell did a good thing. They pulled back today, but it's all right here. We called the whole thing. So we want you to go through here and see where the market is today, particularly in the indexes, my friends. Yeah, what did I say? Why the SOX index leads bulls and bear rally. Okay, that is down huge, which I will show that daily chart here right now on the SOX, the SOX, Philadelphia. Okay, that's what leads bulls and bears. And everybody's told. And we can see it very clearly. Look at that big down bar. It's going to test that 200-day simple moving average. And if that thing wants to bounce, then we're going to look at doing what? I'll tell you what. It's called the SMH. Look at the SMH. That thing is falling through the 150-day. Okay? It's coming down toward that 200-day. That's where you're going to sign up right now. Take action. Get in this live trading room. Make some money.